you can see that I have already add a security. Let's check it. If I use wrong pattern, it will be not unlock. It only unlock edge right pattern. Then power off your Android device. Power off. After turn off your Android phone, press power button, home button and volume up button at a time to enter into recovery mode. I am using TWRP. Press mount, check system and now press home button. Then go to install and install the zip file. Select the zip file. Aroma FM zip file. Swipe to confirm. Then use your volume button and power button. Use volume down button and select data. Press power button to select data. Then press volume down button to select system. It is system. Now press power button. Again use volume down button to choose gesture.key. After you find gesture.key, it is gesture.key. Look it carefully. Then press and select it. Now press 3 dot. Press 3 dot and choose delete. Focusing my camera, press delete and use volume up button to choose yes and select power button. Now choose 3 dot button and exit. Same method, press volume up button and now press power button. Swipe to reboot your Android device. Press reboot and Android phone is rebooting. This is a very simple method. Using all these tricks correct, you can do it. Now I am using custom pattern. Every time I am unlocking my device, it is a universal method and very easy. every time I can unlock my device. This trick works on every Android device, but your phone should have custom recovery. If I go to setting, then go to lock screen and security. You can see the screen lock type is swipe. So guys, in this way you can easily unlock your smartphone. So like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.